Section 2. Choosing the right topic. Selecting a topic for your digital product is a critical first step. It sets the foundation for the value and appeal your product will have in the marketplace. Start by assessing your own expertise and passion areas. What topics can you talk about endlessly? What are you recognized for among your peers? These questions can lead you to a topic that not only interests you, but is also viable commercially. It's also important to conduct market research to ensure there's a demand for your topic. Use tools like Google Trends, social media discussions, and forums to gauge interest and identify gaps in the market. This can help you refine your topic to better suit the needs and interests of your target audience. Remember, a successful digital product solves a problem or fulfills a need, which is much easier to do if you understand what your potential customers are looking for. Consider the competition as well. Analyzing competing products can provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. This doesn't mean you should copy what others are doing, but rather find a way to differentiate your product. Maybe you can cover an overlooked subtopic, offer a unique perspective, or present the information in a more engaging way. Finally, think about the scalability of your topic. Some subjects might be too niche, limiting your potential customer base. Others could be too broad, making it difficult to stand out. Finding the right balance is key to creating a digital product that is not only relevant and useful, but also has a broad enough appeal to generate significant sales.
Section 3. Designing your ebook. Creating an ebook is more than just putting words on a page. It involves thoughtful design and planning. Start with a clear outline that structures your content into digestible chapters or sections. This not only helps in organizing your thoughts, but also enhances the reader's experience by making the information easy to follow. When writing your ebook, keep your language simple and accessible. This makes your content more relatable and easier to understand, expanding its appeal to a broader audience. Use real-life examples, case studies, and anecdotes to illustrate your points. This not only makes the content more engaging, but also helps to establish credibility and connect with the reader on a personal level. In terms of design, the visual aspect of your ebook should not be overlooked. Include relevant images, charts, and infographics to break up the text and aid in the reader's comprehension. These visual elements can make your ebook more attractive and can often communicate complex information more effectively than text alone. Moreover, consider the technical aspects of ebook creation. Choose the right file format, PDF, EPUB, or others, based on how you want your ebook to be accessed. Make sure the layout is responsive if it will be read on various devices. Attention to these details can significantly enhance the reading experience and satisfaction of your customers.
Section 4. Crafting engaging online courses. The creation of online courses offers a dynamic way to share your expertise. Unlike ebooks, courses need to engage learners through various formats like videos, quizzes, and interactive elements. Start by outlining your course structure. Each module should build on the previous one, gradually deepening the learner's understanding of the subject. Video content is central to most online courses. Ensure your videos are high quality and visually engaging. Use good lighting, clear audio, and professional editing. Keep video lengths manageable, 10 to 15 minutes, to maintain learner engagement. It's also beneficial to mix different types of content to cater to various learning styles. For instance, integrate audio descriptions for those who prefer listening and downloadable resources for those who learn by doing. Active learning is crucial in online courses. Include practical exercises, assignments, and discussion boards to make the learning process interactive. This not only helps in consolidating the learning, but also keeps the students motivated. Offer feedback where possible, as personalized interaction can significantly enhance the learning experience. Lastly, consider the platform on which you'll host your course. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or your own website have different features and benefits. Choose one that aligns with your technical capabilities and marketing strategy. This choice can impact how your course is perceived and accessed, influencing its overall success.
Section 5. Developing useful templates. Templates are another form of digital product that can be highly lucrative. These are particularly popular in industries like business management, design, and content creation. When developing templates, focus on usability and adaptability. Your templates should be easy to customize, allowing users to adapt them to their specific needs without too much effort. Start by identifying common tasks or processes in your niche that can be streamlined with a template. For example, a social media calendar template for digital marketers or a resume template for job seekers. Each template should solve a specific problem, making it indispensable for the user. Design is key in templates. They must not only be functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Use a clean, professional design that can be easily altered to suit different brands or tastes. Ensure that your templates are compatible with popular software tools or platforms used by your target audience, like Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, or Canva. Additionally, provide instructions or guidelines on how to use the templates. This can be in the form of a video tutorial or a written manual. Clear instructions enhance user experience and can reduce the number of customer support queries you receive, making your templates more user-friendly and appealing.
Section 6. Pricing strategies for digital products. Pricing your digital products appropriately is crucial for balancing value perception and maximizing earnings. Start by analyzing the market to understand pricing norms for similar products. This gives you a baseline from which to adjust based on the unique value your product offers. Consider different pricing models. A one-time purchase price is straightforward and suitable for products like ebooks and templates. However, for online courses, you might consider tiered pricing, offering different levels of access or additional content at higher price points. Subscription models or memberships can also be effective, especially if you plan on updating content or adding new products regularly. Don't underestimate the power of discounts and promotions. Limited time offers can create urgency and boost sales, while discounts for first-time buyers can attract new customers. Additionally, consider offering bundles, grouping together several products at a reduced total cost. This not only increases the perceived value, but can also increase the average order size. Lastly, be flexible and willing to experiment with your pricing. Monitor sales and customer feedback closely and be prepared to make adjustments. Pricing is not a set-it-and-forget-it element of your business. It's a dynamic component that can significantly influence your product's success.
Section 7. Marketing your digital products. Effective marketing is essential for the success of your digital products. Start with a solid marketing plan that outlines your strategies, channels, and goals. Utilize a mix of digital marketing techniques such as email marketing, social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization to reach a wider audience. Email marketing is particularly effective for selling digital products. Build an email list by offering free content or samples in exchange for email addresses. Use this list to nurture leads by providing valuable information and occasional promotions. Segment your list to tailor your messages based on customer behavior and preferences, increasing the relevance and effectiveness of your communications. Social media is another powerful tool. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest can be used to showcase your products through posts, stories, and ads. Use attractive visuals and engaging copy to grab attention. Influencer partnerships can also be a great way to reach new audiences, especially if influencers in your niche can endorse your products. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of content marketing. Regularly publish articles, videos, or podcasts that provide value related to your product topics. This not only helps in establishing your authority, but also improves your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find you.
Section 8. Leveraging technology for distribution. Technology plays a crucial role in the distribution and sale of digital products. Choosing the right platforms and tools can make a significant difference in how effectively your products are sold and delivered. For ebooks and templates, platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, or Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing can be used. These platforms handle transactions and distribution, making it easier for you to focus on product creation and marketing. For online courses, platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Udemy provide comprehensive tools for course creation, marketing, and sales. They offer features like payment processing, user management, and even marketing support. Some platforms also provide analytics, helping you track sales, student progress, and more, which can inform your marketing strategies and product development. Automation tools can also enhance your efficiency, Use email marketing automation to send welcome emails, course reminders, or promotional messages. Automated social media tools can help in scheduling posts and analyzing engagement, ensuring your social media strategy runs smoothly. Moreover, consider integrating customer support tools like chatbots or help desk software to enhance the customer experience. This can improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload on your team, allowing you to focus more on product development and marketing efforts. Section 9. Conclusion. Key takeaways and next steps. In this essay, we've explored the various aspects of creating and marketing digital products like ebooks, courses, and templates. The digital product landscape offers vast opportunities for entrepreneurs to share their knowledge and generate passive income. By focusing on creating high-quality, valuable products and employing effective marketing strategies, you can build a successful digital product business. Recapitulating, the key to success in digital products lies in selecting the right topics, designing engaging and user-friendly products, setting appropriate prices, and leveraging powerful marketing and technological tools for distribution. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the overall success of your digital products. As you embark on your digital product venture, remember to continuously learn and adapt. Market trends and technologies evolve, and so should your strategies. Engage with your audience, gather feedback, and strive to improve your offerings consistently. Lastly, don't hesitate to start. Every journey begins with a single step. Use the insights and strategies shared in this essay to begin creating and selling your own digital products. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve significant success and make a meaningful impact in your chosen field.